is said to be sounding like you, causing a little bit of overlapping in terms of who is who. What's your take on that?
I mean, if they want to distinguish between the two artists and them really so interested, them continue listen to two artists.
Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancehall. Walk on people to work with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself. The trend, the dancehall, and from when you hear that voice, yeah, when you know say today video gonna be lit. You see, so we are kick it off with Skillibeng and him body interview though. Who sound like who too? Rytikal or Skillibeng. So you comment down below who know what's going on and we'll figure out that video, you see me? But differently still. Let's jump in our interview with him though and then we break it down and me telling you what really going. Is it?
That the town I gotta get a rest for them.
You know a program, them know a east side.
Kinda unpredictable and them know.
Yeah.
Cause me set it that way. It's an international collaboration where the people them never really that expect. Because me and the Kingdom of a recent
that I was coming to that. Yes.
If a man like Vibes Cartel reach out to Skillibeng and say, youth, you know, say, hey, Coffee been interested in my style of music for a longer time, as she did tell me.
All right, Rytikal now is said to be sounding like you, causing a little bit of overlapping in terms of who is who. What's your take on that?
I mean, if they want to distinguish between the two artists and them really so interested, them continue listen to two artists then.
Alright, well said, Skillibeng. Alright, so watch out on people between me and Uno. I don't really want to elaborate more on that, but the dog don't say what I'm to say, you see me? But me as a person, for me, own a style and thing. When I try make nobody look no way, but me own my style. So you say if I know my style, that way I'm saying, I would have said. You see me, big woman thing, but right now, we need more proof than that you know say though. Alright, so big woman thing, man I gotta tell you like, it's Skillibeng, it's a good artist, Rytikal good, so we work with good music, listen to that, them like what them say, no problem there, you see me, so more we have to do things in a real life, you see me, I'm not thing man, babes.
Yeng bombs, play, my game.
Yeah man, so Intence that I do the Yeng bongs, big woman thing. So the song there is by Iwaata, you see me? Bad song you know, as you can see so far. You see me, it relate a bit of a bongs and thing. You see me? New generation. Yeah man, so we are look towards that from Iwaata, you see me? I'm talking about Intence and Iwaata. Intence get fame, sticky, so verified and now as an official dancehall artist in the good. You see break? Yeah man, so the dog is go on the road said way. You see me go hard as usual, I'm like how the dog I maintain him. Spotlight and doing music, you see me? Well focused and thing guys. You see me, so as we say, dancehall music we can't make it there, we have to make it live on and love what we do. You see me, our culture. Yeah, man, people, so that's why me I'm gonna talk about that one or two which are Aidonia. And him said sub upside come and wipe on the compound, but him go live, you see pray on Instagram and come talk some one bag of something, you see pray. And bigger man thing, you see me? The man say some things me I tell you, man, I say some of them can't even play instrument and them attack. But this and that, but artists like them know no. You see me, but bigger man things still the people them go hard man. You see me? And they need them more while. If you stop make dancehall thing look away, you see pray. The man I love the thing and support it, but bigger man thing, I make on the hear with the dog and say, peace, how I man I say, you see me?
Move out of them a column in a this brother. Seeing Vibes Cartel them a column in a this brother. Agent Sasko Assassin a column in a this brother. Seeing Aidonia column in a this. Seeing Alkaline them, new generation them come be column in a the thing brother. Seeing Popcorn them come be column in a this thing where the new generation from this one come down. Seeing brother, and whole heap of other artists named there. You understand, bro? Whole heap of other artists named there where a column and where I do big tune for years, bro. So me I try to show us a dog. Not because you're not a fan of one of these artists. That no give you the right to talk down upon a man or the work where him do or what him do. And if you just keep it real.
You know people and you know it's a big man thing. The dog said that and it's like, you don't know, it's like everybody could relate with this way. Where we have that thought then general for no say, you know, say this not right. This not right. It's not right. You see me, so the dog talk it and him talk it plain and straight who hear. You see me? And he would say more things than that, but me just a show an example. You see me? And it look good people to see. The dog say that dog and make that step there in the speech. You see me? No jokes. So all who agree with me, please do like, comment, make me know what you think about where the dog is. You see me? You have to review it. You see me? No jokes. Differently people at the end of the video this, so please consider like, subscribe, share. You see me? They trying to dance our latest news and you don't know always keep up. You don't take place, you see me?